Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sea moss powder, only way. Start by rinsing your sea moss well, then soak it in filtered water until fully expanded and soft. Next, blend the soaked sea moss with just enough water to make a smooth gel. Spread the gel thinly to dehydrate slowly, or use a low-heat method to preserve nutrients. Once crisp, grind into a fine powder and store in an airtight jar. Soaking is a simple step that impacts texture and flavor, so be gentle and patient. Use filtered or spring water to avoid chlorine and other tap additives, and let the sea moss soak for 12 to 24 hours until it fully expands. If the water becomes cloudy or shows debris, change it once during the soak. These small habits help ensure a cleaner gel and a better final powder. Drying and grinding can make or break your sea moss powder, so keep it low and steady. Use a dehydrator set below 115 degrees F or an oven on its lowest setting with the door slightly ajar to preserve nutrients. Once the gel is crisp, break it into small pieces and grind in a clean spice grinder or high-speed blender until fine. Store the powder airtight in a cool, dark place for best shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.